In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80246007 on your Windows. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type Services. Click on it under the best match. Once you are in this window, simply locate the Background Intelligent Transfer Service or the BITS. Right click and go to Properties. For the startup type, change this to automatic, and in my case, it has stopped running, so I'm going to click start, apply, and then okay. But in your case, if it is already running, just simply click the restart button on the left pane. Now once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then the next thing that we can do is to perform a disk cleanup. So go to the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup, click on it under the best match, click on OK for the Windows C drive. In the disk cleanup for Windows, simply check all of these options one by one and click on OK and click on Delete Files. Once done, the next thing that we can do is to perform the System File Checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then we have to click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Simply type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart, and just continue to update afterwards. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.